Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer corned beef brisket. Let's begin. We have here a flat cut corned beef brisket and it's close to 4 pounds. Let's open it up. Next we're going to take the corned beef brisket out and give it a wash to remove some of the excess salt. Give it a good wash. Put the packet to the side for right now. Okay, looking good. Okay, we washed the corned beef brisket to remove the excess salt. And now we're just going to try to remove the extra moisture. Looking good. Next, place the corned beef brisket on some aluminum tin foil. Just like that. Since the corned beef brisket is cured with salt, we're not going to use any salt. We're going to use the spice packet that came with it first. Open it up and then sprinkle it on. There we go. Next, we're going to add some smoked paprika. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. And some ground black pepper. Next, we're going to turn it over and season the other side. And also make sure to season the sides as well. There you go, we seasoned both sides. You can be generous with the seasoning. We're going to put this to the side for right now. Next, we'll need 1/3 cup of Grey Poupon mustard. There we go. We'll need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2. And we'll need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it all up. Make sure it's mixed in nicely. Next, we're going to brush it on to the corned beef brisket. There we go. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we flipped it over and now we're just going to brush some more on the other side. But make sure that the fat side of the corned beef brisket is facing up. And we're just going to brush some more on. We're going to save a little bit of the mustard for later. There we go. We're going to wrap up the corned beef brisket. Just like that. Next, we're going to open up the air fryer. And we're going to put in the corned beef brisket. We're going to put in the corned beef brisket. Perfect. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it to 360 degrees. And first, we'll cook it for 60 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 1 hour at 360 degrees. Let's brush some more mustard on it. We're going to take the leftover mustard and brush it on. There we go. We're going to close it back up. And now let's put it back in. We're going to turn it back on, turn it back to 360 degrees for a total time of 45 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 1 hour and 45 minutes at 360 degrees. Let's open it up real quick. Okay, we opened it up. And now let's put it back in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees. And we're going for 5 minutes to brown up the corned beef brisket. Okay, we browned up the beef brisket for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. We're just going to let it rest for a few minutes. Okay, we let it rest for a couple minutes, and now let's cut it up. When you cut the corned beef brisket, make sure you cut against the grain. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer corned beef brisket. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.